Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you a simple way to do my eyebrow. As you can see, my eyebrow is a bit bushy, so I'm starting by using the eyebrow gel to lay down my coily eyebrow. So it's very coily, so I want it like slick and straight. So I'm using a darker pencil. This is MAC pencil. I'm using the darker shade. So as you can see, I am stroking the pencil on my eyebrow. I'm not like shading it so it will look black. No, I'm just stroking it like on my eyebrow. So now I'm using the eyebrow brush to blend the pencil on my eyebrow. Here we go. I'm using a Barry concealer palette. I'm using a 1-2 shade of my skin tone. Now I'm gently, with a concealer brush, I'm gently going through underneath my eyebrow, as you can see on the video. Gently. It's quite a hard work, but I don't want to go over the top where my eyebrow is, so I'm gently going underneath the eyebrow. Now I'm using a smaller brush to go on top of my eyebrow, because I don't want to use the bigger brush, because the top bit is a bit confusing for me, so I rather use a smaller brush for the top. Using my blending brush to blend the concealer so it matches my skin tone. Now I'm using the eyebrow brush to blend the hair. Yeah, you guys, here's the final look of this eyebrow tutorial. So hope you guys enjoy my video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.